Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I have another trading strategy which I'm going to backtest for you over 100 trades. I will first tell you about the indicators we're going to be using, show you a few examples, and then perform the 100 trade backtest. This strategy involves only one trading indicator, and it's the average directional index. So the average directional index, also known as ADX, is a technical analysis indicator used by some traders to determine the strength of a trend. A trend can be either up or down, and this is shown by two indicators, the negative directional indicator and the positive directional indicator. Therefore, the ADX commonly includes three separate lines. These are used to help assess whether a trade should be taken long or short, or if a trade should be taken at all. So guys, if you want to support this channel and receive exclusive access to all the strategies we've backtested so far, please check out our Patrons page. We also have a Discord live chat which you can use to ask any questions to the community, and the first 30 people joining the middle tier will automatically have full access to the top tier at no extra cost, allowing you to send a strategy for me to backtest. I've seen a few of you have joined, so thank you very much. I will create a video similar to the one you're watching and present everyone with the results. So please consider having a look at the first link in the description, and I hope to see many of you on the Discord community. So this backtest is based on the daily time frame on GBP JPY. So here's the strategy. We go long where the ADX becomes positive in terms of the slope, and we go short when the ADX becomes negative. We place the stop loss at the last swing. We don't have a maximum number of trades that we can have at any given time. We are aiming for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. And when the open profit reaches 1R, we move the stop loss by 1R in the direction of the trade. So let's get on the charts now so I can show you some trades, and then we'll dive straight into the backtest. So here we are on the charts on GBP JPY on the daily time frame. We'll go ahead and add the indicator. So the indicator that you want to get is the average directional index. So you click on it and then you can go into the settings. You can change the settings in terms of the style, but in terms of the inputs, we're going to keep them as 14 and 14. So basically the strategy is that when the ADX becomes negative, the slope of the indicator is negative, turns negative, we go short. And then when it becomes positive, we go long. So essentially, a few examples here, you would have gone long after this candle, probably put the stop loss at the last swing and aimed for a 1-to-2. So again, you would move your stop loss at break even as soon as you reach an open profit of 1R, which you would hit at this stage. You would have moved your stop loss right here. You wouldn't have hit your stop loss at break even, so you would have got a 1-to-2 trade. So this would have been a successful trade. However, you would have also gone short right here. You can see the slope becomes negative. You would have gone short right here, placed stop loss at the last swing, and obviously gotten taken out here. So let me show you a few examples and then we'll go straight into the backtest. So here are a couple more trades examples. The ADX turns positive after this candle. So we go long here. We put the stop loss at the last swing. You could have put it here or even here to be a bit more safe. As this was a long bullish trend, this would have been a successful trade. Then here the ADX turns negative. We go short, place the stop loss at the last swing, and then this would have been a break-even trade because it would have reached a maximum of 1-to-1.3 risk to reward ratio. So you would have moved your stop loss to break even. Same for this here, and then again same for this trade. However, here when the slope turns negative, you take a short. This would have been a successful trade. This would have also been a successful long trade as well as this short trade. So as you can see, over a couple of months, you would have probably made 3 or 4 R's on one currency pair. So let's see how this performs over a couple of years, over 100 trades, and then I'll see you back for the results. So there you go, guys, the backtesting results on GBP JPY. We had a maximum drawdown of 23%. We were risking 5% per trade over 3 years. The risk to reward ratio was 1:2. We had 34 wins, 49 losses, and 17 trades that ended up in break even. We had a maximum of 2 wins in a row and a maximum of 4 losses in a row. All of this gives us a win rate of 41%. Over 3 years, that's a total profit of 60%. So if you would have started with $10,000, you would have ended up with $16,000. So over 3 years, it's a bit more than 30 trades a year. So 3 trades a month approximately. That's a really good performance for very little amount of work. So let me know what you guys think. I think the settings of the ADX could be edited to be a bit more smoother. But let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.